Hey there, in this quick tutorial we're going to look at smart objects inside of Photoshop and how you can use them with your sermon series design templates to really quickly and easily change up the titles. So let's get right into it. I have the file right off screen. I'm just going to drag it here into Photoshop. You're going to see all these different artboards, and some of them have some text here, and I might want to change the text up, but I don't really want to have to go through the tediousness of changing them all separately. Well, fortunately I don't have to because of smart objects. Smart objects are basically kind of like a master object or master template for a certain thing that you can modify, and then it propagates across all the different artboards that use that smart object. It's much easier to just show you how it works rather than to explain it, so let's just look at it right here. So if you go to the top of your layer stack, you'll see this layer that says Edit Title right here. This is the title smart object, and so all you have to do to open it up is hover over this icon right here, double click, it's going to open it up. You might get this warning banner that wants you to update it for vector-based output. Go ahead and do that just by clicking Update. And now just grab your text tool by hitting T on the keyboard or going over to your text tool right here. Then I'm just going to change this to the Epistle to the Romans, and then I just can hit Escape to commit that change. And then all you have to do to get this into your original file is just do Control S or Command S on a Mac. To save it, this is just a temporary file, so it's not really saving your original, so you don't have to worry about that. Once you've done that, you can close this up, and then you go back to your original file, and you'll see that all of these smart objects have been updated, and so that title change that we made has been made across all the different artboards, which makes it really easy to create these changes without having to change them individually. If I want to change it again, I just double click and go back into it, and maybe I want to just deliberately misspell this. Control S to save it, close it up. Now my misspelling is across all the different artboards. It really kind of is a double-edged sword. I don't want to just leave it there, so let's go back into it, just double click, change this back to how it should be, commit that change, Control S to save it, go back into my original file. It really is that easy to change your titles inside of these sermon series design templates, and so it makes it really easy and will save you a lot of time. So once you have these changes all made, you'll probably want to export these. To do that, just go up to File, scroll down to Export, and then choose Artboards to Files. This is a way to export all of these all at the same time. You can choose where you want to save it. I'm just going to leave it right here. You can put a prefix in front of the name of these if you want to. I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to choose Artboard Content Only, include background and export. And then you can choose what type of file you want to save it as. Right now it's set to JPEG. You can choose PDF, PSD, PNG, whatever you want. I'm going to go with JPEG. Make sure the quality is set to the highest right there. Click Run. It's going to cycle through every single one of these and export them to that destination folder, and it only takes a few seconds. And just like that, it's all done. You'll get this banner that tells you that the artboard to files exporting was successful. Just click OK, and then you're pretty much ready to go. That's all there is to it. Smart objects are a really easy way to quickly and easily change the titles, so be sure to take advantage of them inside of your sermon series designs templates. Have a great day.